This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the image and the place in Roblox Studio. First, pick a 1920 by 1080 image for predictable scaling. This prevents stretching. Once done, export it as PNG or JPG under 5 MB so uploads succeed. Then open Roblox Studio and load the place you'll modify. Make sure the Explorer and Properties panels are visible so you can add assets and tweak settings quickly. Now import and apply the image inside Roblox Studio. Use Asset Manager. Right-click Images, choose Add, and select your file. This creates a decal asset you can reuse. Insert the decal onto a large part for 3D backgrounds, or place it in a screen GUI as an image label for full-screen UI backgrounds. Once inserted, adjust size, position, and z-index. Test and play mode to confirm the image covers the camera view and doesn't clip or blur. Finish by publishing and checking cross-device behavior. Publish to Roblox so your background appears in the live place, and then test on mobile and desktop to confirm scaling and safe zone alignment. If the image appears missing or black, verify the asset finished uploading in the website's Create tab and that its privacy allows game use. Also ensure the image label's visible property is true and camera settings aren't occluding the UI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.